สวัสดีจ้า สวัสดีครับทุกคน Vintage Black อันนี้จากที่รับรู้มาก็คือเป็น West Germany อะไรสักอย่างนะครับ so we have Kohaku today. We're building it with Vintage Black West German thing, Vintage Black, and I won't even change it, the thing, that command. I'm just too tired. But yeah, we're building Kohaku. Oh, ooh, okay. Ah, careful, careful. Oh, nice. What's this? Great. Wow. Okay, understand now why people like this. Okay, okay. It's shit, bro. Look at that. Oh, oh my, oh my. Wow. Ooh. Oh, nice. Nice and straight. I'm just that good at putting on gasket. What a thing to brag about. Oh my god. Oh, it's in. Yes. We good, we good. So this is the Kohaku. Round 2. Gray color. It looks amazing. With this Sherry KA1953 keycap. Nice. And the switches are Vintage Black, harvested from whatever keyboard from West Germany. It is not Lube, but it is filmed and spring swapped. And the plate is aluminum, and the stabs are TXAP screw-ins. And here is how the mouse sound at the keyboard level. Oh, people are loud downstairs. Holy cow. Okay, we don't need to fix anything. It's amazing. Ah. We good.